Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Revell Piloto. It's a little 2-channel foam microplane. I pretty much picked it up for those little stunts there. I'm going to be using my Blade MCX with that. So it comes with the plane, the controller, some stunts. And I picked this guy up for relatively cheap, but like I said, I pretty much picked it up only for the little accessories to the kit. It was about 20 bucks at this liquidation store. Okay, just gonna pull this out of the package. Alright, get cracking with the little accessories after. I'm gonna do the controller and the plane. Make sure to get all that stuff out. Alright, so I'm gonna get cracking with the plane. Tape looks complicated. Let's try the controller first. So very simple, 2 channels, on off. A little telescopic antenna. Okay, so get cracking on the plane. Should be able to fold that back here. Yeah, so we're finally out. I'm sure as you guys can tell by now, very small. But looks like it's well made. Got the bang bang steering and back, so full left, full right rudder. And that's what we're going to show you next. That's the main thing I wanted it for. So here we have the frame for the structure. We have the legs for the tripod legs. These here looks like you put the score points on. That's the hoops for the target that you fly through, and that's the plastic sheeting itself. Some instructions inside. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Please thumbs up and subscribe.